Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hang a picture frame, a heavy picture frame, using Command brand strips the right way. So the first step is to make sure that you don't do any of this until at least a week after you've painted your place, because fresh paint is weaker than old paint and can peel off the wall. Second step is to make sure you remove any hardware that might be on the back of the frame. You want it to be as flat as possible. Third step is to wipe down the wall with alcohol, not water, not cleaning solution, but alcohol. So I've already done those steps. The fourth step is that I have used painter's tape, and I have measured, using my measuring tape, exactly the height that I want from the ceiling. Like this, all the way across, so I know the right level for the top of my picture frame, and I don't have to worry about it being crooked later. Especially with these command strips, because these command strips are not like the hanging hardware where you can swing the picture. As soon as it's stuck to the wall, it's stuck for good. So with that having been done, you take the command strips out of the container, you separate them, you turn them, and you line them up as perfectly as you can, and you click them together. Now that they're clicked together, come closer please, you stick them on the four corners of your picture frame. Top two first, and then about halfway down. These four strips should hold up to 16 pounds. Once you've done, obviously you have to peel the backing off of the strip here. There's like an adhesive cover. You peel that off, stick it on. Once it's on, you have to push top and bottom for 30 seconds each side. 30 seconds here, 30 seconds there, 30 seconds there, 30 seconds there. I've already done that. Once you've done that, you peel off this adhesive backing, pardon the baby in the background. Peel off this adhesive backing, like this, like this, like this, like this. Now that those four are peeled off, I'm going to line it up and put it on the wall. According to my painter's tape, which I've already measured. Wifey, how does this look?
Yeah, that looks good.
All right, we're gonna stick it on. Top first and then bottom.
It doesn't look, did you stick it yet?
I did.
It was a little bit crooked.
I wish you had told me before I stuck it. Okay, tell me.
That's better.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're sticking it on. Now we push top, push bottom, actually middle, push middle, push top. And then we remove it, like I showed you in my other video, bottom first. Pop, pop. Now the frame actually sits here, and you have to push on every one of these for 30 seconds, top and bottom, as hard as you can. The whole, make sure you cover the whole adhesive strip. This is what causes the adhesive to bond or get stronger for 30 seconds on each one. 30 seconds on this one, 30 seconds on this one, 30 seconds on this one, and 30 seconds on this one. Once you're done doing that, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, you actually have to leave it for 1 hour. 1 hour without hanging anything on the strips. After 1 hour passes, set your timer, then you can take your frame and go back to the wall and click it on. Top, bottom, boom, pop it right into place. So that's how you hang Command brand strips. And in my other video, you can see how to remove them properly without damaging any of your paint. Thanks for watching.